Here is a short guide on the Tealstreet features that will help you get started. In the top right corner, you will see the Settings button where you can make various adjustments to your terminal and also set up your API keys. In the top left corner of every module, you will see the Collapse and Expand button, allowing you to free up space within your modules. If you right-click your tabs, you can close, replace, or duplicate. Let me close this one and show you where you can find all the modules within V3. In the top right corner, you will find the Modules button where you can access everything you need to be a successful trader, with many more modules to come. Let me add the Depth chart. Here, you can drag the module to your desired position and resize it. By clicking on the Settings button in the Open Positions module, or the screener, for example, you can adjust what you would like to see and disable unnecessary tabs. For order placement, you have a variety of features to choose from, such as traditional limit and market orders, TWAP, scaled, and chase orders. By clicking on the Settings button in the chart, you can display your realized P&L within the chart, set partial or full order TP, and show your average fills and liquidation line. You can also use hotkeys if you would like to speed up your execution. Thank you for exploring Tealstreet with us today. We hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge to navigate our platform effectively. Stay tuned for more updates and enhancements to help you achieve your trading goals. Happy trading!